That is so tiny. God, what the hell is this? Hey plums, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. If you're an OG subscribers, thank you for coming back to this channel. So in this video, from the title you already know, I have a big bag here to unbox. I got this from Temu. I already said that I won't buy from Temu again, but then no greeny. No greeny. I already said that this will be my last buy from Temu, but I love shopping, I love unboxing. So these are actually things that I need. So this is I got all this thing, all the stuff here is worth 30,000 naira. I'm going to leave it on the screen for you guys to see. I'm also going to show you guys how to shop from Temu. There's this video I posted on TikTok. And people were asking, how do you order? They deliver to your doorstep. Me, I put my address and they deliver to my doorstep. I don't even have to go to their office. I think all these times I've been ordering, it was once that I had to go to the office, and it takes 2 to 3 weeks for the order to arrive. So that's it. So okay, I ordered for phone pouch from the 300,000 naira coupon. I think I can see it's going to be tracking your order, if from the packing stage to the departure, flight departure and all. So last year it was speed SF or something, that was the delivery courier whatever, but now is sharp, right? Sharp courier. So this one came in today, and everything as there, you just be seeing everything, the tracking and all, you just be seeing everything. I made this order on 14th February and it came in today, January 31st, as of the day this video was made. So it doesn't take too much time though. It doesn't take too much time. So once you are done picking, you can just search for whatever you want. Once you are done picking, you go to the cart and select the items that you want. Just pick the items that you want. If you pick the item that you want, it will take you to another page like mode of payments. You can either pay by transfer, using your OPay, using your card. I prefer to pay by transfer. I'll just send the exact money to the Temu account provided and your order will be created. Remember you have to put your details. If you want them to deliver at your workplace, your house, wherever you want them to deliver it to, the address, you put the correct address there. So that's it. And it must be up to 30,000 naira for those in Nigeria. It must be up to 30,000 naira before you check out the goods. So this is my order for this January. So let's unbox together. So they called me on phone when I received this package. They called me on phone to pay it up. They were in my building. They just called me on phone. I came and picked it up. I didn't have to pay for delivery fee. Just that exact amount. The checkout was 30,000 naira. That's what I paid, and I got this freely delivered. So it's delivered for free to my house. So let's unbox. Can you believe what is inside this place is 30,000 naira? 30,000 naira. 30,000 naira worth of item. Okay. Wow. I'm going to be. Wow, this is big. I didn't expect it to be this big. This is foot mats. I got two. I love the color. I can't remember how much I got it for, but I'm going to put it. I think it's about 4,000 or 3,000. I'm going to put the amount I got it for. So it's really big. First item on my list. So the next one, honestly, the way this unboxing is making me feel, I love buying things for myself. Shopping spree. If you're a shopping spree girl, leave a comment in the comment section. This is a 90. This is a 90. Oh, it's black. I can't remember the size I got it for. I think it's extra large or large. I can't remember, but it's big. Oh, it's big. It's big. Oh, it's big. I love, and the material is not that bad for a 90. The material is not that bad. I got it in color black. So nice. I can't wait to rock it. So wow. I'm so excited for this one. This is a smartwatch. This should be 10,000 or less. Let me see, somewhere between 8 to 15,000. I'll just leave the price on the screen. I got this smartwatch. I saw it in purple. I was like, let me go for black. The purple will now look like all these children's Christmas watch. So I hope you guys can see. Let me bring this thing down. I hope you guys can see. Let me come close too. Oh, see. Can you guys see? I think this should be the charger. All these YouTubers, if they want to focus on something, they will not do like this. I find this awkward, but I hope you guys can see. See the strap. Is it just one strap? Okay, I've seen the second one. Just two straps. Should I fix it? I'll fix it here and wait. I hope I know how to do that. Okay. I don't think I know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. I think I'll have to ask somebody to do that for me. But this is a really cute watch. They said, please make a full charging before you use the watch. I hope it was. Let me even check. Wow, can you guys see? It's making sound. Oh, it's working. It's working. Smartwatch for that amount is a good buy. It's working, guys. It's working. It's working. It's working. I think it's fully charged. Let me just turn it off. I'll figure out how to put on the strap later. Let me just package it back. This is so cute. I'm so excited about this watch. I'm so excited about it. I think that okay, there's also a manual on how to use. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So what is this? Oh god, what the hell? What the helic? This is so tiny. What the hell is this? What? It's so tiny. It's so tiny, but it's not that bad. I prefer silver to gold. How about you? Which one do you prefer? I prefer silver to gold. This is really tiny, but we'll manage it. Not that bad. So what? This is so small. This is like a mini fan. Oh my god, this is really tiny. It's so cute and tiny. It doesn't even work. How Lord? You have to buy battery. What the hell? Okay, I think I have battery here. It's not even rechargeable. This is not what I was expecting. It was all a mini fan is rechargeable. So I have to be buying battery. Yeah. Oh my god. The speed no be here. The speed no be here. It's really cute. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Just like it's really tiny, and this battery not rechargeable. That's just the only bad thing about it. Then this is so cute. This is a pouch. This is a pouch, iPhone pouch. It's very strong. Wow. It's very strong. Very, very strong. Crimson color. Nice. So this is all I got for what? What the hell is this? See, can you guys see? This is a mini stapler. This is a mini stapler. I need it. I need it though. But it's just too tiny though. We'll manage. We'll manage. Hope you guys can see me. That is so tiny. God, what the hell is this? I got it in color pop. What? Can you guys see? This is just too small. Like, can you guys see how tiny this is? It's just really tiny. Very tiny. Wow. Let's check if it works. So that means if this pin should finish now, Kasala don't buzz because I don't even know how to use it. Do I? Okay, I think you open here. Oh, I know how to do that. You open here and I think I'll have to break this. I don't want to waste any because it's really tiny. I don't think it's going to be easy to find the pins. So this is it. Let's look for what to stay for. Oh my god, it's really tiny. I don't like it. It's so tiny, but it works. It's really tiny, but it works. Can you guys see? It's tiny, but it works. This is small. Temu. Now do this one. But the pack is really cute. Very cute. But we are not doing cute here. We want to buy value for our money. So, oh, wow, this is glasses. I have something like this before, but I think it's in animal skin. But this is pure black. Let's check it out. Okay, how do I look, guys? And I got nails. I got cute nails, and that's it for the first page. Don't finish. I'm just going to cut through this. Oh, it can actually open. My battery is about to die. That's why I'm rushing. See what the nails looks like. It came with this press on whatever, this cute little file. So, and this is the second nail. This is the second nail. Not bad. It's like gel acrylic kind of nail. It's not that bad. I think I'm going to fix it for today. I need to fix it today. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's really long, very long, so long. Oh Lord, how will I be able to watch with this? It's so long. It's so long. Wow. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, for tuning in. Thank you guys so much, and please do check out my other videos. I'm going to leave some link to my older videos that you would like to watch: unboxing, vlog, hairstyling, tutorials, whatnot. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.